What's that, mate? That's a bag. You got a bag? I've got a bag. What's going to do with that bag? I'm going to pack it up. You going to pack it in your bag? I'm going to pack it in my bag. What kind of bag is that? It's a kit bag. A kit bag? A kit bag. So you're going to pack it in your kit bag? I'm going to pack it in my kit bag. But what are you going to do when you pack it in your kit bag? Well, what are you going to do when you pack it in your kit bag? My kit bag? Yeah, your kit bag. You mean we're all going to pack up our kit bags? We're all going to pack up our kit bags. And then what do we do? Well, I'll tell you what we do. Pack up your troubles in your own kit bag and smile, smile, smile. While you've a Lucifer to light your fire, smile, boy, that's the style. Hey, what's the use of worrying? It never was worthwhile. So pack up your troubles in your own kit bag and smile, smile, smile. All right, we do equip that. All right, we do equip that.
The seagull came back.
Seagull.
Oh my God, it's you, Brendan O'Neill. Oh, I love you. I'm a working class person. I love you, I love you, I do. I do. My husband swears by you. And I swear by my husband. I said, what are you fucking doing, reading more Brendan O'Neill? Won't you give me a shagging for once in our marriage? No, no, no. I'm reading Brendan O'Neill, he says. He says he really understands you because he's middle class. You're not middle class? Well, you could have fooled me. You did work experience in a supermarket. God blimey, I wish I had the money to do work experience. I worked all my life. I said, if I were going to do this work, if you pay me, don't make no work experience, I can't do it. Oh, Brendan O'Neill, my husband will say, you've walked on heaven today. You've seen Brendan O'Neill.
That's Terry Jones, isn't it? Terry Jones and Nate Edmondson. The play for today is Full Circle. My, how life ever comes thus. The protagonist is a character by the name of Brendan O'Neill. That's him now. Calm down. Settle down, you'll get your time on Sky News later. Marxist cum libertarian and head honcho at the Shake 'em All About magazine spiked online. Little is known about Brendan O'Neill's origin. Where did he come from? Who is he? He claims he's working class, but the devil also says he's Christ. Difficult to know with that lot. But we begin with a supposition in our play Full Circle. Act 1. A teenage party in a small town in Ohio, United States of America. Again, we're operating by supposition as we know nothing of Brendan O'Neill. Dude, what a great party, man. Turn it up. It's an awesome party, man. God, I'm so fucking glad Brendan O'Neill's not here, man. What a fucking drag. I know, man. Fucking look at the women. God, so popular. Oh, fuck. Hey, Brendan.
Hey, guys. What's going on? Did you hear about that snowflake who was like, he wanted to put an axe on the side of his car and his mother wouldn't let him?
Yeah, Brendan, come on, man. It's a fucking party. Go give me some Stella, would you? Fucking loser. And now we move on to Act 2. Brendan O'Neill now. Who he is, we see nightly on our televisions. We see polluting our social media. We hear him prattle on. It begins in a Sky News studio. Sky News coronavirus update. Our columnist doing the papers today is some woman from The Guardian and a rock and roll libertarian backwards baseball hat wearing man with a 5 o'clock shadow. Brendan. We are required by a contract that we have with Spike to always play Brendan's signature rock and roll theme. Now, Brendan O'Neill, you keep saying that we shouldn't take coronavirus seriously. I'm saying the most important thing is our freeborn right to jump out that window right now and land on the outside covered in blood, spread with pentagrams carved in our chest, and people licking our blood. We should not be confined to our houses. This is the authoritarian left government saying you need to put on nail polish and stay home and get high that way. And this is what people are concerned. They're not concerned about life and death. They're concerned about a woman at a university saying, "Ooh, this is real life. This is real life." What's more important than the coronavirus is perpetuating the culture war. And that's what we and Spite and the Academy of Ideas and the losers of Comedy Unleashed, who really fucked that up, that's what is the most important. Thank you, Brendan O'Neill. Brendan. Every play has its denouement and obligatory closing scene, and we have now thus, as the title indicates, come full circle. Brendan O'Neill, at some point in the not-too-distant future, at a very popular party at a retirement community. What a great life we've lived. What a wonderful life. Oh, I've lived, I've loved, I've gotten off of social media, I've breathed fresh air, and now, God, it's Brendan O'Neill again. Hey, guys, did you hear about that snowflake? Brendan, go plug in that dialysis machine.
Don't you worry. If only Brendan O'Neill was here. He'd know all about cleaning the house. He'd know how to clean a table. I don't know why he had to go bouncing off to London writing all that bollocks about coronavirus being about the class struggle. Sorry, class struggle. I was English there for a second. I was speaking like a mad woman, a mad charwoman. Oh, Brendan O'Neill's only here now. He can fix the fridge. Brendan O'Neill, why don't you leave it all behind? It's Hitler in the bunker days for you, mate. It's all over. They've cottoned on to you. You're just a spoiled contrarian. Come back home, Brendan. And come back home and clean the lavatory, Brendan. Do what you're good to. Do what you're meant to do, Brendan. I mean, you're always going off saying you're working class, Brendan. Why don't you go home and do something improving? Clean the floor, Brendan. So is that a peel potatoes, Brendan. Come on, Brendan, leave it behind. It's all over for you in Spite. You're begging for money, Brendan. You know it, man. Brendan O'Neill.
Thank you. That was Terry Jones and Aid Edmondson coming together for the Brendan O'Neill sketch.